In the last class, we successfully calculated the values of L. So আমি L or value kita calculate কৰিছিলো from N. N or value পৰা আমি L or value calculate কৰিছিলো. So আমি ক'লো যে for each value of L, we will get a particular subcell. এটা L or value কাৰণে আমি এটা subcell পাম. L to যেতিয়া 0 হ'ব তেতিয়া S subcell পাম, যেতিয়া L to 1 হ'ব P subcell পাম, যেতিয়া L to 2 হ'ব D subcell পাম, যেতিয়া L to 3 হ'ব তেতিয়া F subcell পাম. Okay. Now, so why is it called? Why is this called S subcell? A subcell to moi S subcell বুলি কেলে কওঁ? This is called S subcell because it contains n s orbital. Because এইটো subcell of এটা s orbital আছে, সেইকাৰণে আমি ইয়াক S subcell বুলি কওঁ. L equals to 1. This is called P subcell. Why P subcell? Because this subcell contains P orbitals. S P orbitals. This subcell is called D subcell because it contains D orbitals. Similarly, this subcell is called L equals to 3. We get the F subcell. Why? Because this F subcell contains F orbitals. Okay. So L equals to 0. S subcell contains one S orbital. P subcell P orbitals. D subcell D orbitals. F subcell F orbitals. Now, so how many S orbitals, how many P orbitals, and how many D orbitals? Okay. So for each L, that is subcell, for each subcell at a particular subcell of orbital কেটা থাকিব, number of orbitals for each subcell number of orbitals equals to twice L plus 1. Okay, so twice L plus 1 ta orbital থাকিব at a particular subcell of twice L plus 1 ta orbital থাকিব. So where L is, you know, the particular value of L for the subcell. A particular subcell to কাৰণে যেটো L value, সেই particular subcell to কেটা orbital থাকিব হেতু calculate কৰিব হলে আমি এটো equation use কৰিম 2L plus 1. Now, so let us take an example. Let L equals to 0. Then that is S subcell. S subcell, that means twice L plus 1 equals to 2 into 0 plus 1 equals to 1. That means S subcell will contain S orbitals. How many S orbitals? One S orbital. Eta S orbital থাকিব. So only one S orbital will be present in the S subcell. S subcell এটাই orbital থাকিব, সেই orbital কি হ'ব? S orbital হ'ব. Now, so let us take L equals to 1, that is P subcell. So P subcell কাৰণে twice L plus 1 equals to 2 into 1 plus 1 equals to 3. That means in the P subcell we will have 3 P orbitals. Eta P subcell of 3 P orbitals থাকিব. So 3 P orbitals are present in each P subcell. So these P orbitals are Px, Py, and Pz. So we will get into these three later. আমি পিছত আকৌ আহিম ইয়াৰ ওপৰত. Just for, you know, theory we are telling it now. So let us again take L equals to 2, that is D subcell. So if I consider the D subcell, then twice L plus 1 equals to 2 into 2 plus 1, 5. That means in at a D subcell of 5 D orbitals will be there. Okay, so in the D subcell there will be 5 D orbitals, dxy, dyz, dzx, dx square minus y square, and dz square. So 5 D orbitals will be there. Okay, so what you have to do is you take L equals to 3. You take L equals to 3, that is F subcell, and calculate the number of orbitals. Calculate the number of orbitals. This is your homework. Okay. So this question was in JEE main. one more thing that is important from the entrance exam point of view is to calculate the number of orbitals in a particular cell. So for example, K cell dia ase, K cellot keta orbital ase, L cellot keta orbital ase, M cellot keta orbital ase, N cellot keta orbital ase. So let us, let us take the L cell for example. L cell. Okay. So for L cell, N equals to 2. Okay. That means L will have two values, that is 0, 1. Okay. So L cellot duta subcell ase. So this is L equals to 0. S subcell keta orbital? How many orbitals? So 1 s orbitals. 1 s orbital. Eta s orbital thakibo. Kenike ulialo 2l plus 1. This value of L, L or A value karone ami keta orbital pam? This will be 2l plus 1 equals to 3 p orbitals. So jodi n or value to 2 hoy tetia hole L or value to 0 or 1 duita hobo pare. Jodi L or value 0 hoy tetia hole eta s orbital pam. Jodi L or value 1 hoy tetia hole 3ta p orbital pam. Tetia hole जिटु L cell जिटु n equals to 2 तार कारण आमी total number of orbitals केटा पालो 1 plus 3 eta s orbital 3ta p orbital equals to 4. So total number of orbitals is 4. Okay. So either you can find it in this manner. So you find out the number of orbitals in M cell. Number of orbitals. So please calculate the number of orbitals in the M cell. M cell of keta orbital thakibo total. So this is the first way to do. You first take the values of L, and for each value of L you calculate this thing, a number of orbitals. Or we have a direct formula to do it. So the number of orbitals in a cell equals to n square. তেতিয়া হলে K cellot কেটা orbital থাকিব 1 square, এটা orbital থাকিব, s orbital এটা থাকিব. L cellot কেটা orbital থাকিব 2 square equals to 4. M cellot কেটা থাকিব 3 square equals to 9. N cellot কেটা থাকিব 4 square equals to 16. So in this way we can calculate the number of orbitals in a particular cell. Please do this as homework. So let us take one more question. Calculate the number of orbitals in the N cell. N cell of total keta orbital thakibo. So for N cell, small n equals to 4. Okay. That means L will be having 4 values 0, 1, 2, 3. So if L is 0, that means the number of orbitals will be 1. L is 1, number of orbitals will be 3. Number of orbitals will be 5. And L is 3, number of orbitals will be 7. So how did we calculate it? Twice L plus 1 number of orbitals. Okay. Because total orbital keta thakibo 7 plus 5 12, 15 plus 1 16. So 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 7 16. So total number of orbitals in the M cell will be 16. We can again calculate it using 4 square equals to 16. Okay. So very simple question. So now let us try to see what these orbitals will be. So orbitals. Okay, so first we have cell. Cell orbital thake subcell. Cell orbital thake subcell. Subcell orbital thake orbital. Okay, so ধৰিলো মই এটা মই subcell লৈছো বলে L equals to 0, that is the S subcell. So ইয়াত কি orbital থাকিব? So S service, if L equals to 0, number of orbitals will be 2 into 0 plus 1, that is 1. So since this is 1, this is an S subcell. S subcell কিয় কোৱা যায়? Because it contains S orbitals. So number of orbitals equals to 1. That means this orbital is a single S orbital. So S orbital. Now, so what is orbital? Orbital mane ki? Orbital is one electron wave function. One electron wave function. Now, so this is called one electron wave function. So I already told that psi has no meaning, physical meaning nai kuno. So psi has no physical meaning, but psi square gives me the probability of finding electron. Okay, so psi square tells me about the probability of finding an electron. Now, so when I study about s orbital is spherical in shape. S orbital is spherical in shape. Why spherical in shape? Because if I plot psi square, jodi moi psi square to plot koru, tetia moi eta sphere pam. Psi square, if I plot psi square for s orbital, eta s orbital or karone jodi moi psi square to plot koru, eta s orbit, first what I do is I solve the Schrodinger wave equation. Schrodinger wave equation to moi L equals to 0. That means I solve the Schrodinger wave equation for s subshell. Okay, I get the psi for s. S or karone moi psi to pam. তাৰপিছত psi to square কৰিম, square কৰি পেলাই মই যেতিয়া plot কৰিম তেতিয়া মই দেখিম যে যেটো মই graph পাম, that graph is spherical, circular graph এটা পাম. সেইকাৰণে মই কৈছো this probability of finding an electron in an s orbital is spherically symmetric. Is s orbital থকা electron এটাৰ পোৱা probability বয় এনেকে কম. That means electron that is present in the s orbital can be present anywhere inside this sphere. A sphere to ভিতৰৰ যিকোনো জায়গাত থাকিব পাৰে. Okay, so sphere or ভিতৰত যিকোনো জায়গাত থাকিব পাৰে. That is why we call that s orbital is spherical. Okay, so let us now consider the p subshell. So why is p subshell called p subshell? So p subshell to हम p subshell बुलिए के लेको, because p subshell contains p orbitals. So p subshell of p orbitals পোৱা যায় কাৰণে p subshell আমি p subshell বুলি কওঁ. So now p orbital or shape কি? So the shape of p orbitals is like a dumbbell. Okay, so p orbital is has a dumbbell shape. Now, so why dumbbell shape? Because if we solve for psi, so if I solve for psi for a p orbital and psi square, if I square psi and plot psi square, I get a shape like this. My plot to enka pam. Eto ki bujaise je p orbital jibur electron thakibo, he electron bur ei dumbbell to bitor jikono area thakibo pare. Okay, so to be more clear, it should be like this. So it is like a dumbbell shape. So dumbbell shape. So at this particular point there will be no electrons. A মাজত কোনো electron না থাকিব. Electron থাকিলে either they will be present here or they will be present here. That means there is a probability of finding electrons here and here. Okay, so that is why it is like a dumbbell. So it is dumbbell on isna hekarne hai. Okay, so the shape is it has a dumbbell shape because on plotting psi square I mean a graph found that is electron পোৱাৰ probability ইয়াত আৰু ইয়াতে থাকিব, মাজত নাথাকে. Okay, now so when we take L equals to 1, there will be 3 orbitals. We told that px, py, pz. So the difference in px, py, pz is their orientation. So jodi moi to x axis now, তেতিয়া হলে px orbital will be along the direction of the x axis. If I take the y axis, then the py orbital will be in the direction of the y axis. If I take the pz orbital, then the pz orbital will be in the direction of the z axis. Okay, so px will be in the direction of the x axis, py in the direction of the y axis, and pz in the direction of the z axis. So three orientations are possible. And you know that is why we have written psi square for a p orbital is a function of x, y as well as z. So we have x or respect of plot koro tete ami px pam, y respect of jodi plot koro py pam, z or respect of jodi plot koro tete ami pz pam. Okay, now so this is the first thing. So at these particular points electron power probability nai, a particular point bor electron power probability nai. Okay, so zero probability of finding electrons at these points. Okay, now so these orbitals of a subshell are differentiated using magnetic quantum number. Using magnetic quantum number. Okay, so we will shortly discuss what is magnetic quantum number. Okay. So for each value of L, the number of orbitals is 2L plus 1. So at a particular L or value karne 2L plus 1 ta orbital hebo boli ami kobu. So this magnetic quantum number ML differentiates between orbitals within the same subset. Eta subset etatke beshi orbital থাকিব পাৰে, he etatke beshi orbital borer মাজত differentiate কোনে কৰিব, কোনটো orbital কি হ'ব. So that differentiation is made by the magnetic quantum number. So for each value of L there are twice L plus 1 values of ML. So at a particular L or value karne ML or value twice L plus 1 ta thakibo. So can we correlate between these two now? So number of orbitals is equal to number of ML values. ML values jeta thakibo hera orbital thakibo, jimanta orbital thakibo himanta ML value thakibo. Okay, so the number of orbitals is equal to the total number of values of ML. Now so let us see L equals to 3, then number of ML keta ML thakibo, L equals to 2 loisu, so 2 into 2 plus 1 equals to 5. So 5 5ta ML mane 5ta orbital. So 5, that means L equals to d subshell orbital is a d orbital ho, 5 d orbitals. So 5 d orbitals will have 5 values of ML. 5ta d orbital or karone 5ta ML value thakibo. So a ML or value kita ki hobo we will discuss in the next class. Okay, so when the value of L is 1, the number of ML values is twice L plus 1 equals to 2 into 1 plus 1 equals to 3. Okay, and the values are from minus L to plus L, that is minus 1 to plus 1, that is minus 1, 0, 1, plus 1. So all these three values tell me about the orbitals in the p subshell. So L equals 1 is the p subshell, that means there are 3 orbitals in the p subshell. Okay, so the 3 orbitals in the p subshell are px, py and pz. So this for pz the L value is taken to be 0. These are the values of ML. The ML value is taken to be 0 for pz, and for this plus 1 and minus 1. So px can be minus 1, this can be plus 1. These two can be interchanged while the ML value for z remains 0. Okay, so this is about the ML value. Now, so if I carefully see the electron density, so this is the z-axis, this is the z-axis, this is the pz orbital, this is the z-axis, this is the pz orbital, this is the pz orbital, probability of finding electrons is highest along this shaded portion. এই shaded part গিটাতে ইলেক্ট্ৰন পাওয়ার probability to highest হ'ব। যেটা পোর্শনত শেড কৰি থোৱা আছে সেইগিটা পোর্শনতে ইলেক্ট্ৰন পোৱা probability পাম। Okay, and this part, this part, okay, so at this particular point we won't get any electron density. The probability of finding an electron is 0 at this point. So let us take this point to be P, not P, let us take this point to be R. So at this particular point R, the probability of finding electrons is 0, and such points are called nodes. So at nodes the probability of finding electrons is 0. So similarly, if I see the py orbital, so this is the y-axis, the py orbital will be along the y-axis, and similarly the probability of finding electrons will be along the y-axis. Okay, so along this axis we will get electrons, and at this particular point, which is a node, we won't get any electron. At this particular point, which is a node, we won't get any electron. Now, so if I see the x-axis, this is the x-axis. So the px orbital will be around the x-axis, and the electron density or probability of getting electron will be along the x-axis, and again there is a node here. Again there is a node here. So a px, py, pz orbital or karne, the L value is same, not the L value. Yes, the L value is same, 1. That is 1. So for all these 3 p orbitals, L or value kita gutei ta karone ekei hoy, but the difference in them is ml. Ml is different. Okay, how different? So for this ml is 0. So for this ml is +1, and for this ml is -1. Okay, so in this way, so this can interchange. Okay, now so if I see in 3D, if I take all these together, this is the y-axis, this is the z-axis, this is the y-axis, and this is the x-axis. So this is the pz orbital, this is the py orbital, and this is the px orbital. So all these px, py, and pz orbitals are perpendicular to each other. So px, py, pz are perpendicular to each other. Okay, so all these 3 are perpendicular to each other. Now so I have px orbital, I have py orbital, I have pz orbital. So these are orbitals. So this thing we will again discuss. The thing is that an orbital can have maximum 2 electrons. So an orbital can have maximum 2 electrons. That means px of maximum 2 electron থাকিব পাৰে, py at maximum 2 electron থাকিব পাৰে, or pz of maximum 2 electron থাকিব পাৰে. That means in the p subshell the maximum electrons can be 6. That means p subshell can have maximum 6 electrons. Okay, so this p subshell can have maximum 6 electrons, not more than 6. Okay.